Let's have a look how to reverse a string in ClojureScript. And our goal is to reverse a string. Basically, it's very trivial exercise in all other languages and in ClojureScript as well. And like, for example, cool will become LOC. And the most straightforward way for me would be like, we might pass a string here and just call reverse s, and like you might think that would be it, but if I go and try it like in a compiler, let's say reverse s, and then I will call it with a cool and execute it, and you might see that there's a list of like characters being reversed. And this is not what I'm expecting actually this function to do, and I was like a bit of confused, like why is that? And if we'll go to the Clojure docs and search for reverse function, we can see that there are two of them, one in Clojure core and another one in Clojure string. And I would assume that in Clojure string is what we need. It's like returns with a string with its characters reversed, so this is what we want, and we can easily fix it. Just pull it from Clojure string and reverse. Let's have a look. And yeah, now we got an expected result, and we can submit this over here. Yep, our test passed and everything looks good, but what about like another way how you could reverse a string without using a reverse function from Clojure? And what we could do, we could say basically we could say like we still can use reverse, but for that we can like convert it to a string here and using str and call apply function on it. Let's see if that would work. Yep, and it still does it what we want, so we are not using a reverse function from ClojureScript. And what apply does, it's like applying function to an argument list basically. And yeah, this is how you can reverse a string in ClojureScript. And if I execute this solution as well, just to quickly check it, and yeah, tests are passing as well. If you know any other way of like reversing a string in ClojureScript or Clojure, let me know. This was just two approaches that pops up in my mind, and yeah, good luck.